Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to password lock your Netflix profile. If you open your Netflix application here and choose a profile, you can see here that there is no phone lock on this account. So, to put a password lock to your Netflix profile, go to your browser and go to Netflix website. In here, sign in to your account. In here, tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then tap account. Scroll down until you see your profile here. Then tap the arrow down and tap the profile lock. Now enter your account password here and then enable a PIN to access your profile. Then tap save and profile lock save. If you go back to Netflix and then tap the profile again, you can see now the password lock is enabled. So that's how to password lock your Netflix profile. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!